Pretty sick, eh? Wind is blowing. Perfect condition today. Wow. I grew up from the west coast of the island, and I'm a kitesurfing instructor. I've been surfing since I'm 12 years old. All my time I've been spending in the ocean. So what's best about Le Monde is we have the perfect place for beginner because we have the onshore wind and really shallow water. For learning, it's the best spot. And we have also Wana, which is all what pros are looking for, just your perfect barrel that you've always been dreaming of. I just want to be around the ocean, so it's just so lovely to be able to say this place is my home.